JAW Fishing here, and today I'm here at a local creek by my house, and it has an abundant variety of fish species here. There's some largemouth catfish, bluegill, long ear, warmouth, green ear, green sunfish, anything we could catch. So stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Tripod.
Oh, I had it. Oh yeah, guys. There's also a bunch of chubs here, so I'll probably catch a couple of those.
There's a big fish in here.
See 'em?
Oh yeah. I think that's a chub. Yeah, that's a chub. It was gone. Dude, that was gone after the day.
I don't care how long the video is. I'm just gonna edit it.
How should I start off?
Just put. What's poppin', Tor gang? Camera. Maybe. How did that fall? That's going in video. Oh, guys, I had the fish on. Okay. Oh yeah, the guy behind the camera, that is my friend Tori. Hey guys. I haven't seen a catfish yet today. Okay, let's move down the creek. Hello peeps, as you can see we moved downstream. We're now at a spot called the OG because this is the first spot that we went to. As you can see, all our bags are still down there. And we haven't seen him yet today, but there is actually about an 8-inch largemouth over here. Here he is. Let's see if he'll eat a grub. Yeah, he just struck it. He just struck the grub. Come on, largemouth. You bit it. You bit it. Come on. No, I don't want to catch you or you. I don't think you guys could see that, but the largemouth, that's pretty good size for this creek.
That's huge.
He just ate my grub. He's massive.
Moving away.
I think it's on camera. I just had a massive bite. He pulled my bait down.
I'm gonna wait
There he
until
is.
you're done.
Come on.
There he
He's right there. Ah, the dumb chubs. Here, I'm gonna get my phone out. I don't think you guys could see him, but
So as you guys see, we're trying to catch like a little fish. Not really little fish. He's kind of
big for the creek.
Yeah, big for this kind of small creek. And I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's right there. Here, I'll zoom in for you guys.
Hey guys, I'm back. I just caught a fish off camera. It seems to be I think this is a bluegill. It's fairly good size for this teeny tiny creek. Open your mouth, fish. It seems to be a bluegill. Oh.
Well, he kind of looks like a sunfish.
Bluegill is a sunfish, Storm.
Well, but like, just saying, like,
Yeah.
sunfish have different colors than bluegills do. They're the same type of fish, but they have different names and they have different colors.
Okay.
Well, so, hey guys, so here's a quick reminder. I actually might.
This fish will not bite our bait. I don't know why. We've caught a few largemouth before. I'll pop those pictures up on the screen. No, I had him. Oh, there he is. This is good. Alright, Torn, I'm moving over. We are moving further downstream. Please say my phone doesn't come out when I jump.
The bass is following you. It literally went over here.
You heard him. Let's try and catch it. Just adjust the camera.
I think they're actually following you because there's like no fish over here anymore.
Oh, bites. Big bluegill. Let it sit to the bottom. Rip
I haven't got any fish yet.
We're just jigging it. It works really well. I've caught catfish on this grub. I've caught largemouth on this grub. Bluegill, green ear, green sunfish, warmouth, long ear, creek chub.
I'm going back over here.
All right. Well, the fish here, they're interested in my lure, but it doesn't seem like they want to bite. They're just looking at it. And don't tell me that the quality of my camera is bad. I'll be getting a Yi action cam. I've heard that they're pretty good. They film 1080p, and it's about 70 bucks. So once I save up that much money, lawn mowing, then I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna get the waterproof casing so that I can get some underwater shots of the fish over here and maybe some underwater strikes, because I think you guys would like to see that. Comment down below if you would. And for every person that watches this and wants to see underwater footage, drop a like. Hey guys, quick update. It's been an hour since we first started fishing. We've got 3 fish, that is. I caught one of them off camera before I even started filming this video. So we have, and you guys go down in the comments and say how many fish species were portrayed in this video. But hopefully in the next hour we hope to catch a couple more fish. Alright you guys, I just caught this fish off camera. I didn't think I was going to catch a fish. So I just casted it right down there over by the big log. And Torn, if you could hold the camera, that would be nice. Oh, you got it? Alright. Final view of our red breast or long ear. Like I told you, I'm bad at identifying panfish. Don't criticize me. But final view of our fish.
Oh, the temperature heat index. Dude.
Alright guys, we're wrapping up fishing today at this beautiful little creek. It says the temperature is supposed to hit 105 to 110 degrees today. and we don't really want to overheat because we brought one soda each. So yeah, we don't want to get dehydrated either. So we're gonna head back to my house and jump on the trampoline. So see you in the next video. Bye, Peebs. Keep calm. Fish on.